Okay, so I just woke up, and it's about 11 o'clock, and last night I fell asleep at about 3, so I'm amazed that I actually got 8 hours of sleep. That's hilarious. I'm getting kind of bored playing, World of Tanks. So, I'm gonna call Brianna on Skype and see if she can, like, hang out or something, because I'm bored. I've been sitting here for a while watching my dog. Oh gosh, she sees me. She was doing it earlier. She was just like constantly licking her lips. It was kind of hilarious. Yeah. I'm gonna go get some food. Fat man need food. Soda. He's gone now. That's great. Yeah, I'll take it outside. I'm probably gonna throw my knife at this box because I get bored sometimes. I'll show you the knife I'll throw. It's not the one I got at the tractor pull. It's a different one. This is one. It's crap already, so I can throw it. Yeah, that should be fun. Fun than just sitting inside all day, which is what I do. I tried it, and the box was too bouncy, so I had to, since I was bored anyway, I just took my knife and started stabbing it. Just cause, I don't know why, I'm weird. My dad just got home. He brought me Lay's dill pickle chips. They're so good, they're my favorite. And he brought me Twix, but I already ate them. Yeah. I might be going to my, Monica's later, which is my, her name is Monica, but she's my
Monica's.
Yeah.
My Monica's?
Whatever. I might be going to her house, like, an hour and a half away. Cause, well, first of all, she's my grandpa's girlfriend, and their dog just had, like, 12 babies, and my cousin's there, and I barely ever get to see him, and my other cousin slash friend, because we're not actually related, is there, and I barely ever get to see him. So, yeah. Okay, I'm at Alex's house, and he's gonna give you a tour of this awesome bedroom.
Well, it's kind of small, but, you know, because I have a small house.
Sexy.
It's pretty sexy. I mean, I do have to admit. So there's one futon. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it folds out into a couch. If you don't know what a futon is, there's the other one. I have two. Got all my blankets and my fan.
My biggest fan. Van Austin.
Gotta flip the camera, no. That's my TV. Got a couple windows, yeah.
Upside down
My
right
big,
now. You're recording upside down right now.
my big booty closet.
Big booty closet.
That's my Mac PC. It's broken right now. I'm trying to get it fixed, and that's the pizza I was eating earlier.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye. Have a beautiful time.
Alright, I came back to my dad's next day, and, today we're gonna be going to a water ski show, and then we're gonna go see some puppies that my grandpa's dog just had. It's gonna be cute and awesome. That looks really cool. How long does that go? Wow. We're heading up to the ski show right now. Yeah. We just got to the show, and the Plum Lake skiers just finished. And who did you say was next? Sainer?
No, that was the from Sainer, Plum Lake skier.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
I want an ice cream.
Okay. Okay, so we made some Monica's, and these are your babies. They're so cute. And they're feeding over there on Allie. They look so cute.
Everybody out, make sure. What is this?
Tile. Oh. You should see them when they sleep. They all pile on top of each other on one side.
Really?
Over there, yeah, it's crazy.
I thought this was the help up,
buddy? They.
Whatever.
Are they death still?
No, they're not
Look
dead.
at the tail.
Yeah, they just have the tails closed.
That freeze.
Oh, I didn't get the yawn on.
We used to put them in that one and they'd crawl out.
From this?
No, in this
Oh.
and then we switched them and put them in that one.
Okay.
So they all got their tails clipped today?
Yep.
They were quite a bit longer. Did they shave the tail too?
Yeah,
I don't know. I wasn't
Yep.
there. I stayed home.
tail get shaved.
It's so cute.
Why is it getting milk there?
Do it again. Do it with your pinky.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna follow you.
They're
Last time
hungry.
made like a really big pop.
What I'm supposed to do. Steak, yeah?
It wasn't me, it was him.
Was it really?
Yeah. No, it was me.
Kevin, let me ask you something. I just got a funny feeling this one does
That
a
for
lot
them
of sleeping.
vlogs?
She always sounds so
Yeah.
sleepy when I talk to her.
These YouTube captured.
How many
Yeah.
hours of sleep does this one average? I'm just.
Depends upon before puppy, you're supposed to feed them.
Yeah.
This little bit here.
Well, no,
Really?
actually,
It's so
we're
cute.
supposed to start giving
I'm
it
feeding it
almost
right now.
2.
Yeah,
She
'cause
said-
he sucked through this in a hurry.
Yeah.
Another one,
We're supposed to give him like 1.5.
another one. Just go
Riley,
through
It's so
which
cute.
one is that one?
I don't know. About to go swimming now. Oh, there's the trampoline.
Yeah. Dude, they tied it to a tree like redneck style.
Wow. That's hilarious. This is gonna be fun. Brendan, what the heck? We're in pizza now.
Because I can switch out of it. Probably just take pee or something.
Do they?
Ready?
Yeah. Holy hi! That fall though, can you make it do a sparrow roll?
I can try.
Yeah, get really high, drop it, and spin it. Took a picture. Oh, stop it! Here, film me doing it.
Did it sting you?
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, boys!
Ready, can I try now?
Yeah. Here, let your brother try it.
Hold on, hold on.
Ready, bring him, it's my turn.
Don't go so high. Bring it down. Drop it. I'll catch it.
That thing is awesome.
Here you go.
What do you press for the pictures again?
Hey,
Double right click? Or just right click?
Okay, here. Hold on. Don't go yet.
Dude, don't go!
Okay. Okay, so this makes it go up. This makes it turn.
Don't go too high. Do it
Don't.
slowly. Do the upward slowly. That's
Hey,
not
stop,
slow.
stop,
Hey,
stop,
dude, stop! You don't know how to lower this thing at all.
Don't go. Stop. Don't go so high. Don't go so high.
why can't I
It's
go?
like a freaking frog.
Stop. Bring him grab.
Hey, no. Stop! Hey!
Oh, dude, stop.
Great job, Ethan.
It was an accident.
We should never let you fly. Grab the cam.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's going.
Ah! Don't go so fast, dude. I can't catch up. Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying out the ripstick. Oh, I haven't done this in forever. Do a 1 foot drift like you used to. Woo! Dude, you make marks.
I know, it's crazy.
This is hard. I'm used to bigger ones. 1 foot drift! Fuck your drift!
Whoa.
Try to do a 1 foot drift all the way through this spot. Jumps.
So how long's the vlog so far about?
About 6 minutes now. I don't know. Somewhere past that, probably. Hey, turn around.
I'll go down by Tommy's.
Yeah. Just one more lap. I'm gonna go through the skinny part of the truck. Move, Ethan. See you on the other side.
Ah!
Hi. Let go, my girl.
I haven't taken your bike yet, Bruce.
Oh, okay. Woo! Oh! I did a stoppie. That was sick. Oh my gosh, I did it. I got on without using something. Let's go! To Tommy's. There's my truck.
Vlog yourself.
Over.
Hambuscus.
That's not my name. It's Truffle Butter Vlogs.
What?
Truffle Butter Vlogs.
What about your other one?
My Snapchat's Hambuscus. It's H4M8U5CU5. Just down here! Brothers.
Our old spot. Our
Yeah.
old joint.
This place is so smooth. Good for drifts. Can't really drift on a ripstick.
Why are you again?
Hey, that got smaller.
Do I look like Miley Cyrus?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Giggity.
I should start vlogging, bud.
You should. Like, truffle cream. You should be truffle cream.
Already have
What's your YouTube?
Mr. Junkrat.
Like, a word?
Hit me up, bros.
Like Mr. Dot.
Space Junkrat, yeah.
So Mr. with a period, space, junk rat. All in word, junk rat. Are you on YouTube Catcher?
Yeah.
Bro, come here.
Bruh, gotta do an intro. Get
Say,
in here with me.
filming with Truffle Butter Vlogs.
Get in here.
I'm not stopping.
No, stop.
I can't stop. And I won't stop. Okay, start recording.
YouTube
section. Holy crap.
Terrible quality, but
That looks
what's
awesome.
up? Just wanted to try that, you know.
Yeah, that's awesome.
See you guys.
Move.
I can exit out of the app, right?
Alright. No.
What? No, I can exit out of the app and it'll still stay, right?
Yeah, you can even close the app.
Watch out. Yeah. Yeah.
That looks awesome. Here, move. I'm gonna do that thing you were doing, Bernie. Bernie, look.
Push. Now lean one way. Let's quit. One way.
That looked awesome on camera. Bernie, you gotta do this. Hey! It's, ooh, you touch me, ta-la-la. Me ding-ding-dong.
Ah, my ding ding dong.
Okay, okay. Here.
Bernie, watch.
It's hard.
Bernie, watch.
I don't want you to fall because it hurts. Like, see, watch.
Bernie, try this.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, watch. It's like a quick spin.
Hey, I want to be in here.
Like it's,
Hey, let me be in it.
you're in it.
Hey guys, go check out Mr. Junkrat for videos. I'm re-uploading stuff now, so yeah.
Go, say it like a boss. That looks awesome. I'm gonna try that again.
What's up, you?
Oh yeah, guys, we would have another person here, but he had to go.
Oh yeah, Asher. He lives right there. Oh gosh, mosquito on my leg. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. I got it.
Pussy. Love you too.
Don't swear on my channel.
That's not a swear word. I was talking about cats.
Oh, whatever.
God, you have some shit.
Okay, that's it for this vlog. I'm gonna upload this when I get home. It's right now 9:25.
You can use these as a pillow.